Hola!
Hola!
Bienvenidos a Lightspeed Spanish.
Bienvenidos!
So last week we did a test which was multiple choice for beginners. This week we're doing a test which is create the sentences. No help. You do
Zero
it.
choice.
Exactly. Zero choice, yeah.
What was the sentence with the something or lump it?
Like it or lump it.
That's it.
Like it or lump it. Okay, so there are 10 sentences. We're going to give you them in English and you've got to create them in Spanish. This is the biggest challenge that we have. Going from Spanish into English, well, not so difficult, but going from English to Spanish is a challenge. So 10 sentences.
Okay, I will say that these sentences are tricky. Okay? Mm-hmm. They're not the average regular sentence that you know how to translate.
We've chosen them on purpose because they're tricky.
Yes.
Pues hablamos de todo en la segunda parte.
Vale, pues vamos a comenzar el test para beginners.
Beginners.
Sí, beginners quizá...
A2.
Sí, A1, A2.
A2.
Vale. Frase número 1. It's me. No options. You have to come up with the translation.
Well, this is really interesting sentence because it was one of my big mistakes, okay? It's me.
It's me.
The answer is soy yo.
Soy yo.
Soy yo.
Soy yo.
Not es yo.
Y no es mi.
Es me.
También he escuchado eso.
Ajá.
Muy común.
I used to leave voice messages. Es yo. Gordon.
Well, we can understand, but
Sure.
it's incorrect, obviously. Soy yo, ¿sí? Soy yo. Número 2. I'm 30 years old. I wish. I bet you wish
Don't we
even
all?
more.
Just cut me down the middle and then I'll get there.
I'm 30 years old.
So how are you going to say that? I would say, yo tengo 30 años.
Eso es, tengo 30 años. Yeah, so we have the age, we're not the age. In English you say I am.
Yo soy 30.
I have it.
Exactly.
¿Sí?
Exactly.
I own it. Vale. Número 3. I like it a lot.
And it's this it that's tricky, isn't it?
Don't say anything.
Oh, okay.
Don't say anything.
So I would say, what
Don't
would
give
you say?
pistas.
I would say, me gusta mucho.
Me gusta mucho. Very, very common error to say me lo gusta.
Sure.
Because of the it. I understand because in English you say I like it.
Yeah.
But in Spanish you don't have to put the it because gusta is already third person.
Exactly.
It is pleasing to me.
me.
So it pleases is gusta
Exactly.
and then me.
Yeah. Me gusta does the job of the it.
Eso es muy bien. And then a lot, mucho.
Mucho. And it's just mucho because it's a lot in general. It's not a lot specific like muchas mesas or muchos hombres, just mucho.
Eso es. That would be a lot of.
A lot of, yeah.
something. Muchos o muchas. It depends depending on the gender. Vale, número 4. It's hot outside. Which is true. Which is
No
true.
tanto ahora, No tanto.
It's hot outside.
Okay, so how have you made that? So I would say, hace calor fuera o afuera.
Hace calor fuera. Hace calor. Muy bien. So again, you would say it is hot, and we say it makes.
It makes heat.
It makes heat.
It makes heat. Exactly.
Número 5. It's here in my hand.
Okay, so which it? I would say está aquí en mi mano.
Muy bien. Again, this is for me now. Is it in my hand or is it on my hand? in Spanish, en mi mano. And obviously it's going to be here.
It's got to be... Exactly.
Even if you do this or that, it's still there.
Anyway, because
it's our personal
we
fight.
cup our hand, so there's like a bowl thing. It's in. If it was on our hand, it would be like a stain on my hand.
Again, if you say, this is spider on my hand. Yeah?
On my hand, yeah.
Hay una araña en mi mano. Obviously.
But you could say, I've got a spider in my hand. I'm holding it, I'm cupping it.
Vale.
Yeah? But I've got a spider on
And
my
then you would
hand.
say,
I have no choice of mine.
Estoy sujetando una araña. In my fist, you could say. And just fist. We always have like a personal fight about prepositions.
Yeah, in
Preposition
English.
is in English.
They are
We
a little bit
fight.
difficult in English.
We
They
do.
don't always make sense. But I make sense of them. With
the
my little
inside.
analogies of, well, you've got to cup it, you're holding it within, it's within.
My favorite is on the inside. That's
On
my
the
favorite.
inside.
That's my favorite. On the inside. Where is it? On
And I
the inside.
used to like what Terry Wogan used to say when he would say, with the food, he said, get yourself on the outside of that food.
On the outside of
On
that,
the outside
yeah.
of that food, yeah.
Muy bien, vale. Número 6. I'm hot.
I'm hot.
I'm hot. As in temperature.
Temperature, yeah.
No, that I'm hot. Like, I'm hot.
Estoy bueno.
I mean, just translate.
Estoy bueno.
Translate both of them. Why not? I'm hot.
Yeah, there's one that you can use a lot with people, and then there's one that you probably want to just
Socially acceptable.
share it with
Not
your partner.
Socially acceptable. Vale, I'm hot. So,
Okay,
what will you say?
so what would you say? I would say, tengo calor.
Tengo calor. I have
Tengo
heat.
calor. I have heat.
Inside of me, yeah, I have heat.
Exactly.
Or what about I'm hot? As in, I'm hot. I mean, not that you would use that a lot, but
Okay,
if
well, you
wanna
could say, estoy bueno.
that. Estoy bueno. That's it.
Estoy bueno.
That's what we did last week with estar bueno. Yeah, so estoy bueno. Well, I would say estoy buena.
Uh-huh.
Obviously, female, estoy buena. Male, estoy bueno. Vale. Número 7. She's a happy woman.
Okay. This is something that we talk about in our book on Ser en Estar because it causes lots of confusion. So I would say, es una mujer feliz.
Muy bien. Es una mujer feliz. Perfecto.
We're saying in Spanish, like she's
Don't
a happy. Okay,
don't get
no,
ahead of
all right.
yourself.
Wait until I
Number
do the
8.
next. Number 8.
She's happy.
So that one, I would say, está contenta o está feliz.
O está feliz. Now you can.
So now I can explain myself. In English, we say she's a happy woman. We put happy beforehand. So our mind's saying, oh, well, we'll have to, it must be a thing that we use with estar, for example. But
Yeah.
when you say in Spanish, you say she's a woman, happy. So whenever you're saying she's a woman, there's no choice. You've got to use ser.
It's a description
Yeah.
of the person. You're not describing a state of being,
No.
which would be estar. Like she's happy, she's sad, she's angry. There's a state of being. But because you're describing the person, then we use ser.
Exactly. So whenever you get those sentences like, it's a big car, he's a tall man, you describe, he's a man, it's a car.
Yeah.
So that's your description ser, yeah?
Yeah, and also with the a is also the giveaway. Like she's a something person instead of she's happy.
Yeah.
She's a happy person.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Vale, número 9. I know.
Oh, I
Yeah, I
know.
know.
Oh, I know. Okay. So that one, I would say there are two versions. Lo sé and yo lo sé. Yeah.
Also, another possibility would be yo sé, But, because I've heard that in other countries in Latin America, yo sé. In Spain, it would be lo sé, that would be the normal one.
Yeah.
Lo sé, I know it.
Yeah.
Lo sé.
Yeah.
Sé, on its own, wouldn't be possible because it's I know, but then you would need to say what.
It's an unfinished sentence.
I know. And it's like, it feels like I know. What? What do you know?
Yeah. Yo sé que.
The same as yo sé.
Que,
yeah.
normally you're going to give more, but lo sé, full stop.
Yes, but it's true that in some Latin American countries, it's more common to hear than in Spain, I mean, because it's not very common to hear yo sé, full stop. In Spain would be yo sé plus what you know. Or sé plus what you know. If you just want to say I know, full stop, lo sé, I know it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Y número 10, I love you. I love you.
I love you. Two options.
Two options.
Two options. If we're talking about the love that I feel for my beautiful wife.
Well, three options, really. Well, okay. Yes.
Okay.
Sorry. Yes.
For this woman, then I love you is te amo.
Eso es, te amo. Muy bien.
And then if you're talking about love in general, it can be also for
It
you.
can also be.
I'd say te quiero.
Te quiero. Te quiero is also, love.
Yeah.
Te quiero.
And also, I suppose we could say me encantas.
Me encantas. Yeah, for example, that, yes, it's different types, I guess. Some you can use in the same context, but not all of them you can use in all of the contexts.
No.
If you use the verb amar, you wouldn't use that with your friends and family. It's not typical to say te amo to your
Sister.
friends and family, for example. You would say te quiero, or you could say me encantas. Yeah, like, you're such a great person.
But
like
that love is, you know, when we say, oh, I love ice cream.
Yeah.
I love ice cream. That's that kind of
that
love.
kind of, oh my God, you're great.
Oh, I love you.
Me encantas. Amar, I would use with somebody, for example, in a relationship. I use it with my children as well. But because they're little. When they're older, I wouldn't say to them, oh, te amo. Because it would, I don't know. Maybe it's a point that you go, right, this is... Don't
This
say
is
that to
getting
me, Mom.
weird.
Don't say that to me, Mom.
So what was your third option? Did you have a third
Oh,
option?
me gustas.
Ah, me gustas.
But that would be more I like you, wouldn't it?
I like you, I
me
fancy
gusta. I
you,
fancy you,
perhaps,
that's true.
yeah. Oh,
Pues-
you are awful, but I like you. Only people of a certain age will remember that. Dick Emery.
Pues ese es el test de beginners.
Muy bien, muy bien.
A1, A2.
A2. How did you do? A bit more challenging when you've got to make your own sentences. How did you do out of 10? How many did you get?
And please, if you liked this content, please click like, and we'll continue to do more if you liked it.
Sure. And anything that you didn't get right, do a search.
You got wrong.
That you got wrong, yeah. Just to make that clear. Yeah, if it's not right, it's wrong. And also, go on our website or on YouTube and search our videos for that particular subject. You'll find a ton. We've got tons of free content.
Yeah.
All for you.
Maybe you can put the link to our website so they can...
I'll show them. Okay.
Muy bien, chicos.
Pues muy bien. Eso es todo. Ahora nos vamos.
Y nos vemos.
Hasta luego. Adiós.